Hello guys, to another video of Roblox. We are playing a skyblock 2. We are hi. We are gonna do a full series, and yeah. And now we just need to wait for this to grow these trees. Then I am gonna need how much? So I'm gonna create a small lumber shed, which can upgrade my pickaxe, and an expansion. This is what I love. And with a lot of grass, perfect for farming. Yeah, this is where I actually want my trees and my grass. I think this is a great small land with a lake and waterfall. This is where you get stone. So, these trees are growing. Yeah, I almost fell off. I don't know what to do. What did you say? Come. Okay. Okay, guys, I am in another. I don't think I can get this. This is another chest which I can't use. A bike. I don't think I can get these. I'm gonna die because I don't want to walk over there. And yeah, my trees have grown. I need my this is my pickaxe. It's kind of easy to if it's close to the edge, you want to chop the top and then the bottom. My video can be long, 15 minutes, so don't expect them to be that long. We are gonna make a series of this. And yeah, done. I think it might be done. Is it done? Yeah, I am gonna want boop, boop, boop. I'm gonna know one. I am gonna want this wood is useful. Oh, I can actually almost buy the land expansion. One more wood, one more log actually, and I can buy the land expansion. Okay, guys. It is easy. It is not costing that much for now. Let's go here. Okay. Now this is where I actually want to upgrade to where I where I chop the trees and get some wheat or grass. I don't know what. I know what it's called. I don't know what it is. It looks like wheat. And yeah, it should be gone. So here where I want, this is where I usually put my trees, like on the side. Then this is gonna be the chicken farm right here, and a barn. Now where I put my grass, I love it to put right here, like a little farm, like a lot. And yeah, that's what I do. I am, let's see, and let's see, guys. So guys, is that better? I think it is. I'm gonna drop these trees, and then I'm gonna go sell them. And a trick is like do this, and then you like it carries on. Get 3 trees and then plant them, and then I'm gonna go sell them. So good. Oops, you can't place here. What's the limit? Oh, that's the limit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the limit. So I upgrade it. So I am gonna go to the shop. Now the sawmill is there. This is a good place for wait, that's better or no? Like I don't know where to put it. Like I think that's better. Okay. I got some money, so I don't know what I'm not gonna grass the grass yet. Now, what can I build with money? I don't know. Well, and let's see, what can I build with money? This. Which money do I have? Yep, I have enough. And I should... Yep, I have chickens. Now, I need to feed them. To get eggs, and then I sell them. Oh, man. Drop these trees down, and then put them in the upper area. Now, 4 seeds. I should keep them fed enough. Get some eggs and sell them for money. Not gonna sell wood anymore. The max that I can carry. Yep. The max that I can carry. So guys, it's almost 10 minutes. I'm gonna need to upgrade this, and then it's done. How was it again? Like 6. Okay. And yeah. Now, is it gonna upgrade immediately? If you want more, just ask. Yeah, 15 minutes today. And there we go. So all of this is chopped down. If you're wondering, you can't put items. You can't put items in it. Now these trees I am gonna leave here. Like 2 more. And yeah. This is where I keep my little things. Wheat. For the chickens. Oh, 0. Oh, I have a 0. Hey, chickens. Come to eat. Come on, chicken. I will have 1 chicken for this level. And when I upgrade this, I'm gonna have more chickens, and more chickens equals more eggs. More eggs equals more money. Hey, I have eggs. Sell this. And then I'm gonna leave you guys here. A bakery. So, oh, $10. That's actually a lot. So, it's perfect to be here. Oh, I forgot I can teleport there. I thought there was like a teleport. Okay. There's that guy. I am gonna leave. Guys, have a good day. Like and subscribe, please, and have a good day. Bye.